I'm very happy to give a small brief about our guest today. Coming to his profile, he has completed his BTech in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in from G. Pullareddy College of Engineering, Kurnool in 2003. And after that, he has completed his Masters in Robotics and Automation from Osmania University, Hyderabad. Then going ahead, he is currently pursuing his PhD in Osmania University, Hyderabad. Along the same, after completing his Masters, he has worked with SVITS College from Mehboob Nagar for 7 years. From 2000 to 2007. Followed by that, from 2007 till now, he is working with HAL and DRDO. And when you talk about HAL and DRDO, he was working as the deputy director for the Agni mission in Koraput, which is called as an engine division and MiG-21 aircrafts of our country, HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Followed by that, till 2020, from 2007 till 2020, he was working with HAL and DRDO for MiG, BrahMos and Agni missiles. MiG is the aircraft and rest of the two are missiles, which you know, which was one of the important innovations from our Abdul Kalam sir, Dr. Abdul Kalam. And from 2020, in the late 2020 onwards, till now, he is working with DRDL as a joint director. And his specialization is manufacturing and innovations in composite materials. So he will be giving a talk on an expert talk on innovations related with the composite materials in the area of rocket science and missiles. So, and coming to his publications, he has enormous publications. You should not see into the quantity of publications. You should look into the quality of publication, because quality plays an important role. Even you have 5 publications of a quality, it's an extremely important thing which makes your profile strong. Followed by that, he has 2 awards which has been given by DRDL and HAL for the best quality engineer or for quality assistance in the year of 2015 and 2017. So thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation on a very short note. And I'm very happy that our head of the department and director R&D, Dr. Shesh Talab Sai sir, and head of the department, Dr. Amarnath sir, has given us this privilege to introduce you. And thank you for accepting the invitation and giving a.
అలాగనా? అట్లయితే మీరు ఇంతవరకు చూడలేదా మీరు? ఓకే ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు పార్ట్ ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిందా? ఓకే. యా యా. ఓకే ఓకే. Sure. Okay, I will give the introduction of the composite materials. Engineering applications often required unusual combination of the properties, especially in aerospace applications. We are going to be use strong and stiff lightweight materials. Definitely, it will use the better weight, better solutions for using in aerospace applications. Generally, the materials in composite materials, there should be 2 types of the composite they are going to be used. One is carbon epoxy and carbon phenolic. Okay, I will educate in simultaneously in other slide also. Okay, and the definition of the composite materials is any combination of the 2 or more different materials can be seen at a microscopic level, and it will be exceeds the constitution of the materials. Means it will use the better properties. Combination of the 2 materials will use the better properties is called as a composite material. Materials how we are going to be used, that high strength and stiffnesses, low weight applications can be used in aerospace applications. Yes. The composite material defined, they can be defined as the material with the 2 distinct macroscopic faces. They consist of the 2 or more materials combined in such a way that the individual material are easily distinguishable. It is best example is a concrete is the best example for the composite material. Next, wood. Wood is also a good example for the natural composite. It will be available in nature also, and it is the combination of the cellulose fiber and the lignin. Okay, and bamboo. Bamboo is also one of the best material, best composite material. Composite structures, how we are going to be manufactured. This will be combination of the fibers as fibers in the matrix and the laminated composites, particulates, and combination of the sum of the all of the above. We are going to be make as a structural units. These are all the 5 basic types of the composite materials, fibers, and here you are able to see cursor, fiber composite, particulate composite, laminar composites, and flakes, and filled composites. The matrix phase and the reinforcement phase, it will be defined as a metal matrices, metal composites, ceramics composites, and polymer composites. These are all the definitions we are given. And generally, we are going to be using this type of the composites only in general applications. Classification of the composites. That classification of composites is